Okay, so there's a huge difference between thinking about awareness or I am God self, meaning your true nature, and actually being awareness, I am God self, knowingly or consciously. One keeps you in your head and the other drops you straight into reality. One feels like you're running mental laps trying to figure it out. And the other, well, it's effortless. It's obvious, it's undeniable. So, how do you know if you're actually being awareness and not just playing mental gymnastics? So, thinking about awareness, meaning your I am, can feel like this. Am I doing this right? Is this the state? Am I in the I am? Wait, I think I got it. Oh no, it's gone. Maybe if I affirm I am more, I am the best, I'll get deeper into it. If I just analyze my thoughts enough, I'll figure out how to stay in awareness or I am. And notice this common thread. It's all the mind, like all the questions, all checking, all measuring, all looking for somewhere else to get into. It's like trying to grab water with your hands, you know? The more you squeeze, the more it slips through. So being in awareness or I am can feel like this, which is, no effort, no trying, just being here, no sense of getting it or losing it. No need to describe it because, well, you are it. There's no mind looping, just a simple, clear knowing. It's just a deep, quiet absence of lack. You're at ease with yourself. And it's not a thought of stillness, it's actual stillness, where, yeah, your thoughts still appear and disappear. And it's not a concept of I am, it's just I am. It's the difference between thinking about water and drinking it, thinking about fire and feeling the heat, thinking about love and being in love. You don't need a thought to confirm it. You don't need to check if it's still there. You just are. So reliable signs, some signs that you're actually being I am, being awareness, like how do you know for sure? How do you catch yourself when you're just thinking about it versus actually being it? Maybe try these. One, maybe there's no sense of you trying to do, meaning there's no effort to be awareness. There's no I need to stay here thought. There's just awareness, aware of itself. I am aware of itself. Or try this. Just right now, stop for a second, pause. Don't try to be aware. Just notice, however, are you aware in this very second of what you're hearing? Instantly, without effort, the answer is yes. Did you do anything to be aware? No. Well, that's the difference. There's no mental commentary. You're just simply being. When you're thinking about awareness, there's usually a running commentary that goes something like, well, I think I'm in awareness. Oh, wait, this feels different. Am I doing it right? I lost it, man. How do I get it back? But when you're actually in awareness, there's none of that. It's like sitting in a quiet room without needing to describe it. You don't need to keep telling yourself, wow, it's quiet in here. You just notice, just like you're breathing. You don't keep saying, oh, wow, I'm breathing. Just notice it. And three, there's no sense of trying to hold on. If you're feeling like you're gripping onto a state for dear life, like if you stop focusing, it'll vanish. That's not you being aware of awareness. Meaning that's not you being an I am. That's your mind trying to create a state out of effort. So awareness or I am isn't something you hold on to or you practice. It's what's holding you. It's already here. It's already stable. Trying to hold on to it is like trying to hold on to air. I mean, it's already everywhere, right? So you can't lose it. And the fourth sign is, well, it's obvious, it's not special. There might not be any fireworks, no mystical feelings, no sudden enlightenment, just the obvious recognition of what's always been here. It is so simple, the mind almost wants to reject it. But once you see it, you cannot unsee it. And fifthly, there's no sense of getting somewhere. When you're thinking about awareness or I am, it feels like there's a goal. Like, okay, I just need to focus on I am. Let me sit with this feeling so it deepens. I go deeper. I need to stabilize in this. I'm a baddie, I am. But when you're actually being awareness, meaning being I am, there's no journey. There is no next step. There is no I need to get deeper because there's nowhere else to go. There's nowhere else to be. Let's try this right now. Just a practical, again, pause. Right now, just stop everything, right? Set aside every thought about awareness. Allow every attempt to become awareness or I am to just set aside or drop it. And just notice right now what is already here before any of your thoughts. Not the thought of it, the actual direct experience of it. No effort, no analysis. There is just that stillness, that presence. That's it. That's you. And it never left. Well, so how do you stay in I am or awareness? Simple. You stop leaving it because you can't leave it, not by doing something, but by noticing, well, where else would you go? Where else would you exist except here in this very second? Your mind will come back with thoughts like it will want to work on this. It will want to ask, well, how do I stay in it longer? How do I stabilize this? What if I forget? Notice these are just thoughts, just arisings, nothing of importance. Awareness does not need stabilizing. It's not something to hold on to. Your I am doesn't need holding on to. It's just what's always here. It's what you are. And every time you notice this, you're already being it. No effort needed. No extra step required. No 3-step plan, 4-step plan, 10-step plan. It's just this. And if you want to experience being one with you and your desires, you and the world, you can check out my Weightless Experience. And if you want to see for yourself, like somatically, like knowingly in your body, seeing through your stories that have troubled you, then check out my one-on-one coaching. You can email me via hello@anilareddy.com or just see the link below. And I would love to hear your comments and your insights on this. And yeah, I'll go deeper into more videos on this topic. So I got you. All right.